Friends.
Oh, good pick. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, that's blue ball.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for you.
The thought for the day. If you don't behave as you believe, you will end by believing as you behave. Friends.
Time's been moving slow.
I am doing my book store today. I have all of these books from college, from everything, and I am trying to go donate them at the mall. So that's what we're gonna go out to do for right now. Let's go this way. Y'all want to see something? Prince want to go bye-bye? Y'all think he ready to go? Prince want to go bye-bye? Oh, you gonna bring your toy with you? You can bring your toy. Good morning, my Kit Kats, and welcome to a new video. If you are new to my channel, it is simply welcome to my channel. My name is Kate, and I am soon to be your favorite YouTuber. Y'all gotta excuse me. I have a couple of runs to make. Y'all, I am out of breath sitting up here this morning. I have a whole lot of books that I've gotten over the years, and I've already made, I think, 2 runs to the bookstore. And it's college books, it's story books, it's books I've read, it's books for the kids when they were young. I mean, just all kind of books. And I gave a lot of them to my daughter because she works at an elementary school, you know, to put in her reading nook. And I get a whole bunch of how-to books. I mean, just, you know how we accumulate books over back in the day before internet. Anyway, I got all these books, girl. I just put all that stuff in the back of the car. Now this is like the 3rd load. Hopefully this is the last load. So I am supposed to be bringing it to, oh, I'm going to the bank. I'm supposed to be bringing them to the bookstore because they recycle books. I'm like, okay, because it's better than throwing it in the landfill, I figure. And you know, they need the books and they can recycle it or whatever. We'll go with it. And if they wanted to resell some of them, hey, knock yourself out. But the textbooks, they said they recycle. I said, okay. But baby, that's a job. Them freaking books are, y'all know, biology books. Exactly. Huge biology books and math books and economic books. I mean, you name it. Oh my God, law books, all this stuff I had. Where are they in the back? So me and Prince decided we would go today and drop these books off. But I don't know if I won't have the energy to do it. So babe, he may have to come with me do that because that's a lot. Anyway, so before then I got a couple of little runs to make, and I thought I'd take you along because I hadn't been out in a couple of days. Y'all, that's sad. I hadn't been out the house. Trying to get my house together. Trying to get the house together. So I needed to put some gas in the car. I got to go back by the jewelry store. I done broke another chain. Woo, they make some money off of me. And I'm gonna do that. Go by this bank and cash a check. And I gotta catch up with my best friend because I still have her Christmas gift. I know y'all. This is a woman. I talk to her every day. Shouts out to Gwen. It's my girl. We talk 2, 3, 4 times a day sometimes. Girl, but to honestly actually see her, I probably see her once every 3 months, 5 months. There you go. That's just the way we've always been. But if I can call her for something today or tomorrow, she is on the way. Girl, I got you. I go out of town, have her watch my mom. She'll pass by my mom's house, check on my mom if I'm out of town. I mean, she does it. She is that. Now she does more of that than for her own good, because every time you turn around, she's doing something for somebody. She just has that type of heart. But saying that, her butt wears out that heart because she's always doing something, but never takes any time for herself. Never takes time for herself. It's for her dad, for her husband, for her kids, for her grandkids, everybody but her. I know. I'm gonna hear about it later, but it's the truth. Okay, guys, I'm gonna run into the bank and I'll be right back. And I don't think he wants to. Okay, guys, I am back. Y'all know he set off the alarm. I'm in the freaking bank and said, I think somebody trying to steal your car. I said, nobody trying to steal the car. Nobody but Prince setting off the alarm. So now I did that. Stop. Let's go this way. So. Okay, we were talking about our little episode, so I'm going to say something that's in the news. Did y'all hear about the 6-year-old that shot his first grade teacher? I'm sitting here thinking like, what the hell is going on? Now, y'all know I worked in criminal justice system for 20-some years, and I am licensed to carry, and I've always had, you know, guns around the house and that type of thing with my kids. Now, growing up, they know that was a no-no, plain and simple no-no. Now, I did have the problem once of my daughter taking a bullet to school, and honestly say she probably was around that age. She took a bullet to school for show and tell. I knew nothing about it, so she got suspended for a couple of days. Yes, she did, but they knew what I did for a living, so that's why her penalty was not as. Yeah, when I say I'm having a rough day, I'm having a rough day. Broke, my camera died. It must have ran out of the cord. So now I said I was going to put it on my phone, and then my phone mount for the car broke. Yeah, I'm going to make this other stop. I got to go home, and I'm going to have to get my stuff so that I can bring y'all with me. So I was telling y'all about my baby. Turned around in the back seat, and she's sitting in the back seat chewing some gum. And I'm like, well, where you got the gum from? She said from the store. I'm like, So I had to go all the way back to Walmart, make her bring it back to the lady, and the lady trying to say, oh, it's okay. That's not okay. Because when I say don't do something, I mean don't do it. And that's what parents need to do more of these days anyway. Don't do it. And so the lady kind of roughed her up a little bit by telling, you know, you're going to go to jail and this, that, and stuff. She was all upset. But you know what? I never had that problem out of her again. So now, y'all, I stopped and put some gas in the car. And now I'm going to go by the jewelry store and drop off my necklace and go by my post office box. And I'm going to then go home and get my stuff. And I still got to make that run to Gwen's to see my girl to bring her present. So I'm still going to do that. But yeah, girl. So I'm sitting here with a 6-year-old with a gun. Y'all, there's a problem with that. There's a big problem with that. And I'm not saying it's mama's fault. But these children, I don't know. They're so different than we were. And I don't know what causes that. Is it us spoiling them so bad? Or is it the food? Is it their attention span? Is it, I don't know. Y'all, I'm gonna have to put my phone down. I'm gonna get y'all back. Okay. I'm on the way to meet my girlfriend. A friend of mine, I'm bringing her present. And as we were saying about that baby and the gun, I'm like, I don't know, I'm sitting here thinking, you know these babies get mad for any kind of reason. So I can't, So teacher got mad at him, took his, I don't know. Thank God she's going to be okay, because it would have been just as easy for her to have died. I mean, he hit her in the stomach. And last I heard, she was still in critical condition, but she had put her hand up to block it, and the bullet went through her hand. So I'm like, but baby, I don't know. So how do you try this baby? You can't try him as an adult. You can't even try him and put him away as a juvenile, because he's so much younger than a normal juvenile. And can you try him, and what would your decision be on him, considering his mind is not developed enough to comprehend the extent of what he's done? So how do you do that? That's a thought. All these crazy research they do about, why people wake up at a certain time every day. You need to be doing research on why our children are changing so much. What causes this to have this behavior problem? Like in our area right now, we have more teenagers jacking cars, stealing cars. I don't know if this is a trend or are they seeing something on TikTok as a challenge, but I'm serious. We've had 3 separate incidents in the area in the past week. Joyride. One car was crashed and exploded and burned. One, luckily the people got it back. One, they jumped out of it and was about to hit an RV in somebody's yard, and the police jumped in it and got the car. Stopped the car. So that was a lot more damage that was avoided. But there's so much behavior issues going on. So what's the root of it? Okay, my Kit Kats, I'm sitting here waiting on my girl because it's looking kind of cloudy. So I'm going to give her gift. And then I think I'm going to... What time is it? 12 o'clock. I might pick up some lunch and go home and change my camera out and get today was my day to do the footage and stuff for y'all, since I had a few things to do. So, and then I knew I needed some blueberries, because I'm going to this blueberry binge. I wanted to make this little dessert. So I was looking at the price of eggs. I was telling my girl, man, I ain't doing no baking no time soon when you're paying $6 and $7 for a dozen of eggs when you used to get it for 85 cents. That's crazy. That's crazy. Eggs cost more than gas. Damn. So, yeah. I had a cute little quick recipe. I'm not feeling this thing today. Quick little recipe that I wanted to do for you. But y'all, I'm over here. You know how you sit in the parking lot and you're waiting on somebody and you start people watching? Man, they got some strange people out here. They got some strange people. Hi, Prince. Hi, my baby. Y'all, he in his feelings right now. Let me see if y'all can see him. That baby. The baby. He in his feelings. Well, he jumped in the car. You jumped in the car? Then he had to get his toy. Yeah, I saw that. He got his toy when we was getting ready to leave. So all I got to say is let's go. And he's like, that's my ride or die. Y'all, he with me. He gonna come with me just to ride. But I did forget his car seat. So that was my bad on my part. I don't know. Things been going kind of weird today. What I say? It's not going right. Just go with it. Because for some odd reason, the good Lord don't want me at a certain spot at a certain time. And you know what? I can deal with that. So I'm just going to take my time, do what I got to do. I did drop my necklace off. I forgot to go by the post office. I can do that later. I did put some gas in the car. And I am over here. Yeah. So it's going to get done. Everything will get done in its own way and its own time. So, y'all. Okay, let me drop this off to her and I get back with y'all. Okay, outfit check. Pants I got from Shein. Has the buckles on the side. Black jeans. I have my black and silver flats. Went ahead and put on my just a regular black shell. Let's see if you can see it better this way. Now I have just a silver chain that I did. I got my diamond studs earrings in because my ears are giving me little problems today. Went with just a little straight little wig today, and my glasses, you know, they gotta go and come as I need them. And I dress basically for, I'm not 20, so I don't dress 20. And I'm not old and decrepit that I can't put clothes on. So I dress comfortable, but I try to get, in my opinion, a little bit more up to date than say my mom would have at my age. So with that, that's how most of my fashions are going to be. You're going to see them. They're going to be something that's like that. Probably comfortable, up to date. Some instances elegant for dinner nights and that type of thing. But that's what I go for. Okay. And y'all don't say anything about my nails because I haven't done my nails yet. Okay, guys. Going to my godson's basketball game. This should be really nice. Take you along. Yes, these are the girls playing first.
Yeah, but it's not their gym is their cafeteria.
Same thing. They got to convert. So oh, they pouring concrete.
Oh yeah, they can build in the other school.
Yeah, they pouring concrete. I see that. They really need to have another.
Show me the car, you ain't turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, let me get to you clean and proper. Yeah, I'm moving the weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh.
Hello my Kit Kats, and welcome to a new food video. We are going to make a healthier baked potato soup. And I figure with the weather and all that, yeah, it might come in handy in the next few days. So now we're going to start. I got a larger size sauce pot, and we're going to start from there. Okay, I have my heat on. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and let that melt. Okay, I know y'all, I'm bringing a lot of noise, sorry about that. And we're going to take about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Okay? We're going to let that melt. Okay. Now I'm going to use about a pound of new potatoes, and I'm going to put that in here. I'm using new potatoes because they're sweeter than russet potatoes, and they won't take as long to cook. Okay? Mix all that. The new potatoes, I peeled them. So yeah. Then we're going to take 2 teaspoons of salt. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And I need a teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. You're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes. There we go. Okay, let that cook for about 5 minutes. That's coming out pretty good. Now we're gonna add 3 cups of chicken broth, and I'm going with the low sodium. Make it lighter. Whoops. Two. 3. Okay. And we're going to let that boil for about 20 minutes. Okay, it's been cooking for about 20 minutes and I turned it off for about another 10 because you don't want to mix something when it's really, really hot. So now I got my immersion mixer. That's what this is. You could put it in your blender if you don't have one, but we're going to smooth the potatoes out. I like to use the immersion mixer because I can leave chunks in it if I so choose. So we're gonna be careful with it, y'all. Okay. Okay, now we're going to do 1 cup of coconut milk. And I'm using light. And then I'm going to use a half a cup of cream, light cream. Okay, we're going to use a half a cup of cream. Use all I had, I guess. That's the new what I had in there. And we're going to mix that up. Okay, now we're going to use about a cup of Parmesan cheese. Hold on. I'm going to use the bag, 1 cup. Okay, 1 cup of Parm. Mix that in there. Should melt easily because it's still really hot. Okay. Now I have bacon. I took 3 strips of bacon and I'm going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes to get it crispy because I didn't want to cook it the other way. So we're going to bake the bacon and get some of this grease off of it. Okay, now this is the soup. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next Please like and subscribe. Thanks again.